Hey guys, ENC Gaming here. Today we're back with another crate opening. So we're just quickly going to go buy 50 crates and we're going to open them all. So let's get straight into it. So the way I'm getting all these crates is me and Matt Bidorf. Go subscribe and like his videos. We created a hack. We found out a hack for this game so we can get free stuff. And I still have camo Geo. Let's see. That's pretty nice. May have to keep that on. Rusty Spoon, not very good. VX Racer, it's okay. Not that good. After this video, I will be posting a budget build later today, so make sure you check that out. Neon green. And tell me what car I should make next for my next budget build. Comment down below what you think. The comment that gets the most likes will be the one that will be the car that I use. 35,000, pretty good. Welds, not very good. Not too bad. Those are just... So this is what they look like on your car. They're not very good. They just stick out. I'll keep it on for now. SL green. 35,000 again, pretty good. Golden yellow. Sticker bomb roof rack. I might put that on. Let's go see what... Wait, where's it? That's pretty good. That's pretty nice. Neon, already got those. Street style, no. Deep dish rims, pink. Those will go for 85,000. That's pretty good. Loanable silver, not really. Tokyo Police. If you guys haven't seen this one in anyone's videos, it's a really nice wrap. It's really nice. I don't know why I'm still using this car, but I'm going to switch back to my GTR and put the original rims I had back on it. These were the deep dish rims that I had on it yesterday. These are the rims I usually have on it, 510,000. So, a flow burner, I already got max things, so really no point. VX Forge, max pistons already. Monster green, already have it. VX Forge again. 5,000 cash, not that bad. Camo Forest, okay. 75,000 cash, that's pretty good. Gloss white, 52 gold, pretty nice. VX Forge pistons again. RB26, gold to deep rims. Crappy rims. VX Racer. These rims. A hyper circuit. I remember I got one of those in my last video and I never... Yeah. It looks pretty nice on the GTR, but I have to stay with my Color Glow for $1.1 million. Coming down to the last 4 crates. Hopefully we can get something good. Flow burner, 2 more. 5,000 cash, okay. Last one. Let's hope I get some good rims. Another spoiler, maybe? Crappy rims. Alright, so I'll see you in the next one. Like, subscribe if you're new. Peace.